See, the length of the tangent drawn from an external point of a circle are equal length. Okay, what is the meaning of this question? See, one circle is there. This circle to external point, outside any point you take, this point is called external point. External point to you are drawing a tangent, means this both tangents length equal, we will prove. This is the meaning of this question. The length of the tangents drawn from external point to you are drawing a tangents, this tangents length are equal, we have to prove. So PQ is equal to PR equal, we have to prove. Okay, see here in this one we will write given to prove, construction and proof. What is given in the question? O is the center of the circle. O is the, here circle you are taking means O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Here tangents PQ and PQ and PR are the tangents. Okay. Next point you write PQ, two tangents PQ and PR. This is the given. O is the center of the circle. PQ and PR are the tangents given over. To prove what? PQ equal to PR. Now we have to prove PQ equal to PR. This concept we have to prove. Next, here what is there? Construction is there. What is the construction? Now you are joining OQ also, OR also. Next, OP also. So this is the construction. Join OQ, OR and OP. This is the construction. Okay, proof very important. So what is the proof? Is there this simple and easy theorem? See here. Here already theorem 1 what we did? Radius, tangent, meeting place how much degree? 90 degree. Already theorem 1 we did. Radius, tangent, meeting place is the 90 degree. Again radius, tangent, meeting place is the 90 degree. This concept first you write. See here, OQ is perpendicular to PQ. Next, OR is perpendicular to PR. What is the reason? Radius of the circle perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. This is the theorem 1. Radius, tangent, meeting place is the 90 degree. That is the theorem 1. Okay. This concept writing after, here you observed means here two triangles are there. This is one triangle. This is one triangle. Now we are comparing these two triangles. Which two triangles? OQP and ORP. Anywhere you write OPQ triangle and OPR triangle. You are comparing these two triangles. You are comparing means, see this triangle you are taking means here 90 degree. This triangle you are taking means here 90 degree. That concept we will write. So how to write? OQP. Angle OQP is equal to angle ORP. Angle ORP. Both are equal. What is the reason? Each 90 degree. Each angle is 90 degree. OQP equal to ORP. Both are equal. What is the reason? This triangle you are taking means here 90 degree. This triangle you are taking means here 90 degree. First concept over. Next, see here, this triangle you are taking means this is OP is the common. This triangle you are taking means OP is the common. So next concept right here, OP is equal to OP. What is the reason? It is a common. Okay, now you can write it is a common. Common after, see here, OQ is equal to OR. Now you write here, OQ is equal to OR. What is the reason? Radii, both the same circle radius are equal. So you can write radii are equal. So now you are comparing these two triangles means, see here, this is the 90 degree. 90 degree means a right angle. OP is equal to OP. Right angle opposite side is a right angle. Opposite side is a hypotenuse. And this is one of the side. So these two triangles are congruent. Why means RHS postulate. So this concept we will write. Triangle OPQ congruent triangle OPR. What is the reason? RHS rule. So RHS rule to these two triangles are congruent. So both are congruent means sides we can take equal. So PQ is equal to we can take PR. What is the reason? CPCT. Why means congruent triangles means their parts also equal. Corresponding parts of CPCT. Okay, CPCT corresponding parts of congruent triangle. These two triangles we proved congruent. Congruent proved means their corresponding sides also equal. So now we can write PQ is equal to PR. So this is only proving asking. So you can write hence prove. Okay. So this simple and easy theorems